Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today, as you can see, we are making this delicious rice. I call it beef and pepper rice. Some people call it dirty rice, okay? Whatever you call it is delicious, it's yummy. So if you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Come along with me and let's do this delicious rice. It's amazing. And I know that if you do it for your family, they are going to love it. Make your rice like this, okay? And I know that you are going to love it. So come along with me and let's do this. Let's get started. Just look at that. Just look at it. It's amazing. So guys, to start, I'm using rapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and I add chopped red onions. You can use white onions as well, doesn't really matter. If your onion is cooked really well, you add some grated garlic. I add grated garlic, all right, and also I add grated ginger to it, and I'll allow it. It smells amazing. I'm telling you, you're going to love this recipe, okay? It's delicious. And then I add some celery, okay, some chopped celery. And then let it cook for a bit, and then I add my sweet peppers. All right, as you can see here, I use the green and red ones, but you can use any colored pepper of your choice. Guys, it's amazing. When it cooks a little bit, I add my minced beef, as you can see here. Yes, so I put that to the side. I add some salt to it, okay? Add some curry powder, some cumin, okay, and some smoked paprika to it. Yes guys, and then I add some chillies, some crushed chillies to it. You can make the crushed chillies, but add it to it. I tell you, you're going to love it. All right, it's not really very spicy, but it makes it taste amazing. All right, so make sure that it's all cooked. As you can see here, I'm making sure that that part gets cooked, the meat bit, before I add the veggies to it. As you can see, the meat is cooked, so I add the veggies to it. Very simple recipe, okay? Very simple. Yeah, to give you a little bit of sweetness, I add some tomato puree, and also to give it a bit of color as well. All right, just a small bit of tomato puree, and I allow this to cook nicely. All right. Right, as you can see, I've added my Jasmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I use Jasmine rice, and I fry the rice for about 10 minutes just to make sure that it comes out really well, and also the flavor goes into the rice really well. And then I add my chicken stock, okay? Yes, you can use vegetable stock if you like, but chicken stock gives it more flavor, okay? That's why I use it. So use how you cook your rice. This is how I cook my Jasmine rice. It needs more steam, okay, to cook. So just less water, but more steam, all right? That's why I've added the parchment paper to give it more steam, all right? Yes, so as the time goes on, you take it out and make sure you stir it nicely so that every part of the rice is cooked, all right? So stir it and cover it with the parchment paper to give it more steam to cook it so that it comes out really well. All right, it tastes amazing. You have to try this recipe. As you can see here, I'm just trying to stir it nicely so that every part is cooked really well. It's not very difficult recipe, very easy recipe. I'm adding some chopped spring onions. Yes, we add more flavor. Why not? And a bit of greens in it. Yes, but you can use any vegetable of your choice at this stage, but I love adding the spring onions because it gives it more flavor and it tastes amazing. So you have to try this recipe. It's so good, and I tell you, your family is going to love. I need more steam to make it a bit more softer. It's all done, guys. Look at it. It's all done. It's cooked really well and very nicely. It tastes amazing. You have to try this recipe. I can't give it much hype enough, but you try it and I know that you are going to love it. Just look at that. I've put more spring onions, green spring onions on it, and I love it. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you are going to notice it. Thanks for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.